Are you looking for the best projector for home? In this video we will look at some of the best projector for home on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Epson Home Cinema LS11000 Projector. If you're setting up a dedicated, high-performance home theater in a basement or spare room, choose the Epson Home Cinema LS11000. This 4K laser projector offers a combination of performance and features that you won't find in any other home theater projector priced lower than $5,000. It's an excellent 4K movie projector, but it also looks great with games, sports, and HD TV when some room lights are on. The LS11000 has great detail, is bright enough to produce satisfying high dynamic range, HDR, video, and has wonderfully accurate color in the natural picture mode. This LCD projector uses a laser light source that should see you through the next decade, or longer, with no need to pay for replacement bulbs. It's one of only a few 120Hz projectors that has high bandwidth HDMI 2.1 inputs to work with the most advanced 4K gaming consoles and any future 8K sources that might emerge. A motorized lens with generous zoom and lens shifting capabilities makes this projector easier to set up than many others. Number 2. Hisense C2 Ultra Projector. This bright, 4K laser projector has built-in streaming, a robust sound system, and gaming-friendly features. But you have to use the bulky, swiveling stand. If you're looking for an all-in-one 4K projector to use in a more casual, everyday space like a living room or family room, the Hisense C2 Ultra is the best one we've tested. It doesn't quite match our home theater pick in dynamic image contrast and color accuracy, but its high brightness and robust features are suited for living room use. The picture looks rich, vibrant, and very sharp. The 10-step brightness control helps you match it to your viewing environment, and it uses a long-lasting laser light source that provides instant on-off capability. It has all the features you could want, including a streaming platform, a speaker system, and support for AirPlay, Bluetooth, and 3D video. The built-in Vita streaming platform is Hisense's own proprietary platform, and we appreciated its simplicity. The C2 Ultra is great for gaming, carrying the Designed for Xbox label. It has low input lag and supports a 1440p resolution at 120 Hz. Number 3. Bank HT2060 Projector. This projector produces a bright, rich-looking image with more accurate color than most competitors can offer. It's easy to set up and quiet in operation, but it lacks features like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. If you want to create a big-screen movie experience at home on a modest budget, the Bank HT2060 is the best performer, with a great combination of brightness, contrast, and color accuracy. It offers great image contrast and color accuracy. It's bright enough to pair with a large screen for a more immersive home theater experience. Out of the box, this projector can produce a good image with very little adjustment, which means it's good for people who are new to projectors. It's easy to set up and quiet in operation. The HT2060 produced some digital noise in mid to dark grays during our tests. It lacks features like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and built-in streaming apps, but you can easily add those features by connecting a media streamer. Because it uses DLP projection technology, some people might see the rainbow effect. Number 4. Nebula Mars 3 Air Projector. This compact, 1080p projector offers good image brightness and contrast, above-average sound, easy setup, and a built-in battery. But mounting it on a tripod may prove tricky. If you need a small, compact projector that you can easily move around your home, the Nebula Mars 3 Air offers almost everything we could ask for. The Mars 3 Air is an LED projector that has a 1080p resolution and supports HDR video in the HDR10 format, though it isn't bright enough to show off what HDR can do. It also includes a built-in battery, built-in Google TV and speakers, automatic focus and image shaping, and support for Bluetooth audio. The Nebula Mars 3 Air offers good brightness and contrast, rich color, and a 1080p resolution. Its internal speaker system delivers good sound. You can also connect an external speaker via Bluetooth. The projector automatically focuses and shapes the image so that it's always optimized for your desired throw distance and angle, no matter where you place it. Its Google TV operating system gives you direct access to streaming apps such as those for Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, Hulu, and Netflix. The Mars 3 Air's shallow tripod socket and ridged underside make it incompatible with some mounts and tripods. This model doesn't have a USB-C port, so you might need an HDMI adapter cable to connect a mobile device. The black level, brightness, and color accuracy are lacking in comparison with a traditional home theater projector, so it isn't an ideal choice for big-screen movie watching or gaming. Number 5. Bank X500i Projector. This 4K projector casts a larger image from a shorter distance, so it's good for smaller spaces. As long as the room has light control, this projector's excellent contrast, color, and detail make it good for all content types. In order to create a large image, most projectors need to be positioned far from the screen. This distance is called the throw distance, and it can be anywhere from 8 to 15 feet, depending on the projector and desired image size. Short throw projectors are convenient for small rooms or other situations where space is limited. The Bank X500i can sit much closer to the screen than standard projectors. It works in spaces other projectors can't. The X500i can produce a 4K, 100-inch image from a distance of 5 feet. The X500i is targeted at gamers, with gaming-specific picture modes, a higher refresh rate, and lower input lag. However, its good image contrast and bright colors make it suitable for any genre. The X500i's lens adjustments are limited. The amount of zoom is just 1.2x, and this model has no vertical or horizontal lens shifting. The X500i doesn't have a powered USB-A port, so if you want to use a different streaming stick than the supplied Android TV dongle, you have to plug it into a power outlet.